Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today it's time to go home. This is our last adventure at Roundhay Park. We had a nice time here, but now it's time to go home. Our home is that way and we have to take our taxi. And the Tombliboos are going to walk with us today to get in our house. I'm just getting ready and going in the seatbelt. The Tombliboos are going to take their blue can off. And they're going to be opening their little doors to go in. Tombliboos! The blue car's just up ahead with the taxi. They're going to go in their taxi. Let's go. Time to go home. The Tombliboos are going to keep walking until we get to our taxi.
You don't have to walk in loads of different.
Excuse me. Let's go. Thank you. And next video is going to be in our cozy little home. To tell it, the Tombliboos are really excited to go there. Thank you for coming to Thailand. Please subscribe to our videos. Bye bye.